ZO Retinol Skin Brightener. Everyone should be using a retinol no matter what. And this is one of my personal favorites because it really helps brighten the skin and go after stubborn pigmentation. Being fair-skinned and having made questionable choices with tanning when I was younger, pigmentation is one of my main concerns. So this retinol actually comes in 3 different strengths. So we like to start everyone off with the 0.25. If you're new to retinol, this is a great way to sort of dip your toes in the retinol pond. And when I say if you're new to retinol, that's talking about medical grade retinol. If you're getting a product from Sephora or the drugstore that has retinol in it, consider yourself new to retinol. Once you build up your tolerance to the 0.25 retinol, you can then graduate to either a 0.5 and then from there a full 1%. So not only is this retinol great for anti-aging, but I love it for anyone who suffers from hyperpigmentation. This is going to be part of your regime to suppress the melanocytes and break down both that deep and superficial pigmentation. With any retinol, at first, you're gonna find that your skin gets irritated, you might have some redness and flaking. That's totally normal. You also have to be really diligent with your sunscreen because you will be more photosensitive.